Yeah.
Okay, Russ. Let's see if this thing starts. I checked the oil. Bar oil's good. Gas, there was gas in there. I didn't know that. I probably would have taken it out before, but it hasn't been that long. So we've got gas, topped it off a little bit. Not expecting it to start right off, because it hasn't been started for a while. So we're going to put this down to cold. Let's see what we got. Chain brake is on. Which they tell you to start it with the chain brake on. I like to save it for different things. The more you use it, the less it goes. So. Ooh. Got ourselves a little bit of a sound there. I think I'm supposed to put it up to run. Or the second one. The second one down. Now, why would you need starting fluid for that? That's awesome. Good mixture, got a little blue smoke coming. Little loose, not too bad. This chain, I don't think it's sharp. I don't remember what you told me, but I'm gonna stick that other new chain on here, and then I'll sharpen this one. So go ahead and pause the video. Okay, Russ. So it's on the radio there. But before that, I did. Here's the old chain. New chain's on. You've watched the video this far, so you already know that the saw started. So now we want to see if it cuts better with the new chain. I thought you said the chain was good on it, but I could be wrong. And we'll find out. This is essentially a Sequoia, I guess. So it's been a while since we ran it, but according to the what-you-call-it, you don't go all the way. Just go to the second spot. Well, that's run. Really? Well, I'll try it that way first. Yeah, so that was too high. That's loose, looser than I like it. But I just want to see if this chain's happening first. about this saw, that other chain was dull. This is cutting really well. All right, Russ, well, we used 1 tank of gas, and we probably were short maybe 4 or 5 cuts to finish the job, or at least to do the limbing and the main thing. So, worked really well. The Farm Boss, it's like the Timex of the saws. Keeps it licking, keeps on ticking. No mishaps. And good to go. Now we've just got to knock that tree down right there, that tree down, and that tree down. They're all ponderosa pines, and they're all full of bugs, and they should have never been planted here. This is not high desert. This is a temperate rainforest. This is Zaza. She's our dough in milk. It's over here. This is Sheldon, Dr. Sheldon Cooper. He's a wether. He's really of no use. He's more or less a pet. I keep telling him we're going to eat him, but no, we don't have full agreement on that yet. And this is Holly. She'll get refreshed this winter or January, and she'll be in milk this time next year. Right, Holly? It's the old barn. That's the Booth barn bonnet. 6 pieces of that Costco tarp strapped down, tied on all the edges. It's made this turn of the century barn. Turn of the century, not this last turn of the century. It's made it watertight. Now here we've got
that star.
That star. Oh, that's a boy. So this dough and milk kicked out 3 bucklings this year, which is not what you want when you're doing dairy. So there's the other 2 guys there. One of them's not a wether. Which one's not the wether? The red one?
No, the one with the purple collar.
Okay, so that's Bucky. Bucky, creative name. And he's going to probably do some freshening this fall. And then that one's also a wether. Those 2 will definitely be sold as pets and or meat. There's Ben. He's a nice boar goat. And supposedly we're going to eat him, so we'll see.
But he's very stupid.
Well, so we'll tell you how that tastes. Maybe we'll send you some, we'll send you a goat dog. Anyway, Erica, this is Erica.
Hello.
She apparently wants me to see the new chicks we got today. That's our big drake, or not drake, what do you call it? Call it a drake?
Muscovy? I don't know.
It's a Muscovy drake. Is a drake a male?
I don't know.
He's our big male Muscovy. And we have 30 some odd chickens of various ages.
Look up if you. I don't.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
They're all roosting up here. No, it actually worked. There's our wonderful,
Please don't poop on my head.
wonderful rooster. There he is, Mr. Bach. He's a hand-raised,
Oh, that's our other rooster.
docile. Oh, which
The
one?
white one.
Where?
Right there. The white one that's right there.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
That's not the Banty, is it?
Yep.
Oh, okay. We call him Little Roo. And he actually succeeded in some fertilization this last round because some of these eggs that we put in the incubator came out, and we thought a couple of them were runts, but they were Banty crosses. So what are these right here?
These are why can't I think? Lavender
Orpingtons.
Okay, where?
So we got 4 lavender
you
Orpingtons. These just came today. Okay, what are these other ones?
These are meat chickens. I don't remember what breed they
These are meat chickens. Whatever is a good meat chicken.
See, this is the sweet one. This is the sweet one.
Almost it dying?
No, it's just sweet. And I've been touching it since we got it.
Oh, and that's one of the lavender Orpingtons. Apparently they got these on my recommendation because 2 years ago when we visited a neighbor, he had some cool chickens. I said, wow, what are those? He says, oh, they're lavender Orpingtons. And this is our hen, duck hen. And she's brooding on about 9 eggs, duck eggs. Last time around, we didn't separate her, and the chickens messed with her the whole time, stole her eggs, laid on her eggs, and
She hatched too.
we only hatched 2, and neither of them. One of them died soon after hatching. The other one was disappeared, probably some raccoon or something. So this time we're trying to give her every opportunity to hatch all of them. That's it. Those are your bonus features. What are you doing? You're cutting what?
I'm cutting off these because so I can get my climbing tree.
Getting your climbing tree?
I'm cutting off so I can get my climbing tree.
Where's your climbing tree?
Right here.
Oh, and these are in your way?
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. Be careful. Those are sharp. You could cut your finger off with those if you're not careful.
These are big.
Wow, look at those. All right, well, good job.
It's like a chainsaw.
Yes, it is. It's like a manual chainsaw. I got to go pick that up, as a matter of fact. Oh, we just missed it. Or no, there's a little bit left. Here's the sunset in Bacona, looking to the west here. See if we can zoom in on it and see the actual fireball.
Hello.
I think it's too bright. Ooh, can't hold the camera still. Well, you can't really see it, but there's a bright ball in there. Orange ball looking to the west. Okay. Very interesting stuff, I know.
I just cut a plant.
Nothing like looking at somebody else's home movies.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye, plant.
Oh, you're saying bye to the plant as you execute it?